much, Madam Speaker. I rise to support the motion by Honorable Peter Salasia on the regulation of the sugar industry to discourage branding of sugar by non-millers. And Madam Speaker, number one is that what we can locally produce, we should never import. We are advised in economics that any product, any good that can be locally produced, manufactured, should never be imported, because if you import such goods, then you increase, or rather encourage, what we call in economics absorption. Therefore, we should always encourage what we call mercantilism, where we manufacture. In the process of manufacturing, we will promote our local industries. As we promote our local industries, Honorable Speaker, we will increase, or rather create jobs for our young men and women in this nation. Honorable Speaker, this is a nation where we don't appreciate our local industry, and that is the only way we can grow economically. Kenya imports over 80% of the goods that we are consuming, including a toothpick, Madam Speaker. Therefore, it is so sad for us to promote other foreign economies, because this money will leak. There will be leakages into other economies. So, Madam Speaker, with this issue of promoting the local industries, I've said that we create jobs. We have countries like Egypt, Madam Speaker, which is literally a desert. And from that desert, they can grow sugar. They can grow sugarcane, and we get sugar from them. We import sugar from them. While in Kenya, we have the best land, the best parcels of land. We have the best climate and enabling environment where we can grow sugarcane. But we don't want to promote that. Honorable Speaker, His Excellency the President, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, said that mambo ni matatu. The third one is to export cartels to heaven. Madam Speaker, President Ruto should take into consideration to export these sugar cartels to heaven. Iyo ya tatu ndio iwe yao, so that we promote the economy of our nation. I really support you, Honorable Salasia, on this motion, because we are creating jobs for our people. You've been fighting for the Mubias Sugar Company to be revived. And I'm very sure that God is going to listen, to hear your prayers. And I'm very sure, together with Mumias and the Sony Sugar Company and also the Chemelil, all these sugar industries must thrive. Thank you, Madam Speaker, and God bless you.
Thank you very much. The Honorable Member for Embakasi East. Honorable Rahab Mukami, Member for Nyeri County.